Hey guys, how are you doing? This is iPod Touch 323, and today I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. Okay, first what I'm going to do is show you what's in here, because I know what's in here. And this is from Contour. Okay guys, I'm not going to read it, but it says it's the Showcase Touch 2G, the Contour Flick, and the Folio. All of them for the iPod Touch 2nd generation. Okay, put that to the side. Now this box was, it says delivered by March 9th, and today is March 9th. Today's March 9th, Monday. So now let's get to the unboxing. Sorry guys. Okay, we're getting there. Okay, let's see what's in here. There's no paper or anything. First in here, you can see the Contour Flick in green. It says Contour Flick for iPod Touch for 2nd generation. The Contour, and their website is contourcase.com. Other thing that's in here is the Contour Showcase iPod Touch 2nd generation, and their website again is Contour Case. The other thing is in here is the blue Contour Folio. Okay guys, it's just an unboxing, and see there's nothing in here. And I would just do my first impressions, so I'm just going to open the case. Don't want to rip anything. Okay. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that texture. This texture is really nice. It's cushion, and this is genuine leather, I believe. It's a button. Open it inside. There's like a gray, I believe it's felt or suede, I'm not sure. It feels really nice, guys. And let's see what's in here. Okay. Let's see. Okay guys, this is just an instructions in like different languages. No screen protectors. Well, it's okay. Let's put this to the side. Okay, now let's get on to the Contour Showcase. As you can see guys, this is see-through. I don't know if you guys didn't know that, but this is see-through. You have to unlock it through here, and it comes out. There you go again. There it goes again. No screen protector, just the instructions. And let me get my iPod really fast. Here's my iPod. Okay, now let me just put this in here. Close it down. Snap it in. Close it down, snap in, place and then just lock it. That's a really nice fit. You can see it's see-through. It's pretty cool. And first, the buttons are really nice to press, and the volume rockers are easy to press too. Now just unlock it, flip it out, and your iPod should just right here. Okay. Next is the contour flick. Okay, here's the green contour flick. Okay, I'll just flip this back. Get this out. Same deal, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here, they're like rubber rails. Pretty nice. Let's just slip the iPod in here. There you go, guys. Looks pretty nice. I don't know if I like the sleep button on this right here, because it doesn't feel like I'm pushing anything. But the volume rockers are exposed. I mean, yeah, they're exposed. See, this case is very nice. And let me just take this out. Let me just put this into the contour folio, because I forgot to do that. Look at that, guys. That's really nice. This case looks pretty nice right here. And you just open it up, press it, slide it. You can do like whatever you want. Very easy to access. The home button right here is covered. I mean, the home sleep button here is covered, and the volume rockers are exposed. Okay, guys, this is just a quick little unboxing of my first impression. I don't know if I like that right here, but these are just my first impressions of the contour showcase, contour flick, and the contour folio. And if you want to check out Contour, their link will be over there in the description. And stick around, guys. The review for all these cases will be up in about a couple days, about 2 days. I'll probably do one of these, then next 2 days I'll do the other one, then the last 2 I'll do the other one, and then probably for this one I'm probably just gonna do like a little like drop test, like probably go like around this high and just drop it. And I think like iPod's safe in here, so stick around, guys. Thanks for watching this iPod Touch 323, and don't forget, guys, please comment down here and rate and subscribe up there, the yellow button. Okay, thank you, guys.